it has to be seen to be believed.
Dalai Lama.
The Dalai Lama.
The Dalai Lama.
Dalai Lama.
Some say something good person, some say bad person, that doesn't matter. So long my own motivation for thinking is honest, sincere. That's important. So then, if your money keep my own pocket, then I may, because overnight I become a little bit richer. But I'm a monk, no family, nothing. And practical level, I'm guest of Indian government. My own pocket, still empty. So my pocket may complain me. But that's okay, no problem. I want to donate, although some paper already there, donate to Save the Children Fund. One reason, firstly, in 60s, when Tibetan refugee community really facing tremendous difficulties, also is a big difference of climate condition. At that time, Save the Children Fund came to help us for Tibetan children. And then recently, when you see this award announced, around that period, I also heard through BBC, the Save the Children Fund worldwide towards the movement. And then I felt our real hope on the shoulder of younger generation. They described me as a demon.
You're a demon?
Oh.
Yeah.
Then I immediately reacted, yes, I'm demon with horn.
Yeah, because that's the classic demon, right?
Yes.
I think that's, when they look at you, that's what they see.
Oh, whatever they want to say, that's their freedom. I have no negative feeling. I just feel a love like that. I practice, you see, taking others' anger, suspicion, distrust, and give them patience, tolerance, and compassion.
What is the first thing you think about when you wake up in the morning?
Shaping motivation.
Lot of new opportunity meeting with people from different tradition. Mentioned, without faith, there's no sort of real spiritual value. Without reason, so you cannot develop conviction. I think wonderful. I am nothing special person. As I mentioned earlier, we are same. Respected dear sisters and brothers, or brothers and sisters. when I meet people, one person or 10 people, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, I always consider them as my brothers, sisters. That brings me, in mental level, completely relaxed. If I feel I'm something different from them, then some nervousness, some anxiety may develop. So once your own way of thinking open, reach out to them as a close friend, that tremendous sort of benefit, peace of mind. Then others also no longer feel stranger. Another human brothers like that. So that, I think, nowadays, we really need that.